Your job is costing you more than you think. The truth about wealth and time freedom. Your job is costing you more than you think. And I'm not just talking about money. It's costing you time. It's costing you freedom. Hi, Max. Thank you for joining. It's costing you in a cycle where you work more and have less. Most people don't even realize they're stuck until it's too late. Artificial intelligence is replacing employees. And yet, most people are still relying on one paycheck, hoping it will be enough. Can anyone relate to that? Hi, American Made. What if I told you that relying on one single income is one of the biggest financial risks you could take today? Can anyone relate to that? Basically, excuse me, I'm sorry, I feel like I was choking on something. I apologize about that. But here's the truth. Working harder does not equal making more money. Your boss is never going to pay you enough to be financially free. If your income is tied to your time, you will never stop working. Hi, user and Linda and Ed. Drop a light bulb in the comments below if you're starting to realize this is you. Dog lover? Me too. I love doggies. What if I told you there's another way? A way to own your time and keep 100% of your own earnings regularly. Hi, Henry, and hey, Jude, and Wanesha, I think. How many of you feel like you're working harder but getting nowhere? Drop a fire sign if any of this is hitting home with you. Hi, Anthony and Xavier and John Hoyle and Tony. Thank you for joining. 100% profit equals every dollar goes directly to you. No recruiting, no MLMs, multi-level marketing, no chasing family or friends or anybody for that matter. Master resell rights, sell it over and over as because you own it for life. It's yours. It's no one else's. It doesn't go away. It stays with you. One time, sure, a small investment, and you own it for the rest of time. You know, it's a one-time investment, no monthly overhead ever. Live mentoring, interactive training, real-time support. And the best part, you don't need experience.